Hello everyone, my name is Melinda Livas and I am the Distance Services Librarian here at C.G.O. Kelly Library for Winston-Salem State University. And during this brief tutorial, we will take a look at plagiarism. The bottom line is, please don't plagiarize. So let's briefly talk about what it means to plagiarize. Plagiarism means to kidnap or steal or to use another's intellectual work without crediting the source. Basically, plagiarizing means that you stole someone else's content and you did not give them credit. So what needs to get cited? Any words you quote, words you summarize or paraphrase, ideas, interpretations, or opinions, statistics, and even photographs or images. So if you take images from Flickr, Pinterest, Common Core, some of the other places, make sure you just cite where you got your information from or your pictures. So what can you do to avoid plagiarism? Give credit by citing. Here is a screenshot of the APA manual. APA, of course, stands for American Psychological Association. This is the guide that you will use to help you with your citing. And this is the latest edition, which is the 6th edition. Also think about using citation tools such as RefWorks, EasyBib, and Perla. Now, C.G.O. Kelly Library does actually subscribe to RefWorks, so you can create a free account using RefWorks. How can professors detect plagiarism? Believe it or not, a basic Google search can help detect plagiarism. All they have to do is type in the content, some of the content that you have for your paper, put it in the search box, and if it comes up, then that means more than likely you took that information from the web. WSSU faculty members also have a license to use Turnitin.com or to use Turnitin. So, in more instances, you will notice that you will have to upload research papers or some of your work to Turnitin. This is actually a plagiarism detection tool. So let's talk about briefly the consequences for plagiarizing. You could get a 0 for the assignment. You could actually fail the course. You could forego opportunities to get recommendations from your professors, such as a recommendation for an internship or a job, or you could get expelled from the university. Remember, avoid plagiarism by citing. And these are my references, and I took most of my images from Google Images. Let's take a look at a research guide that I created for this course. This link and research guide is actually embedded into your Blackboard shell. The APA Citation Center is a place where you can come to take a look at examples. Take a look at examples of APA citations. Here is an APA citation presentation that you will find useful. And basically, this is an example of what an APA research paper should look like. 4 core things I always ask students to remember when it comes to APA. Number 1, your font needs to be 12-point font Times New Roman. The entire paper is double-spaced. There is a 1-inch margin top, bottom, left, right. And remember, your references have to be alphabetized. If you have any questions about this presentation, please do not hesitate to contact me, Melinda Livas, and my email address is livasmm@wssu.edu. Remember, don't plagiarize.